Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys. NFL Recruitment 2020 for Engineer Manager available for BE, BTech, BSc, MSc and all the procedure for applying is online. But before moving on to the details of NFL Recruitment 2020, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Moving further to NFL Recruitment 2020. So NFL National Fertilizers Limited invites the application form from the eligible candidates for the post of recruitment of experienced professionals, engineer, manager, senior chemist in production, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, chemical laboratory, civil and fire safety for 52 vacancies. So candidates with the qualification of BE, BTech, BSc and MSc with required work experience are eligible to apply for this job, and the selection process is based on an interview. Interested and eligible candidates can send their application form in the prescribed format through the given postal address on or before 27 May, and we have discussed all the eligibility criteria and application process in our website, so you can also refer to our website for any queries. So NFL is a company which produces chemical fertilizers, organic fertilizers and industrial chemicals. NFL is India's largest central public sector enterprise, Government of India undertaken. It's a turnover more than 75 billion rupees and it is headquartered in Noida. NFL Recruitment 2020 details. So job role is engineer, manager or senior chemist. Qualification required are BE, BTech, BSc, MSc. Total vacancies are 52. Category is government job. Experience is experienced. Salary is 40,000 to 2 lakh per month. Job location is across India. And last date to apply is 27 May 2020. For the detailed eligibility criteria for engineer and manager, BTech, BE, BSc engineering in the relevant engineering degree with minimum 60% marks from required institute, from recognized institute or AMIE in relevant engineering field. Experience 1 year post qualification inline experience for engineer and 9 year post qualification inline experience for manager. Relevant field: production, chemical engineering, chemical technology, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation, electronics and communication, instrumentation and electronics and electrical engineer, civil engineering, fire and safety, fire engineering, safety and fire engineering or electrical, mechanical, civil with divisional officer course from NFSC, National Fire Service College, Nagpur. For senior chemist, candidates should complete MSc Chemistry from a recognized university and experience 1 year post qualification inline process. Age limit for engineer or senior chemist 30 years, for manager 45 years. Post and discipline wise vacancies: engineer 1 post, manager 16 posts, engineer for mechanical 5 posts, manager for mechanical 12 posts, engineer electrical 3 posts and manager electrical 2 posts, engineer instrumentation 5 posts, engineer instrumentation 5 posts, engineer civil 1 post, senior chemist 6 posts, engineer fire and safety 1 post. Pay scale: so for senior chemist or engineer it is 40,000 to 1,40,000 and for manager it is 70,000 to 2 lakhs. Application fee for UR, EWS or OBC candidates rupees 700. For SC, ST and other there is no fee. Mode of payment through demand draft in favor of National Fertilizers Limited, payable at New Delhi. NFL recruitment selection process: so shortlisting candidates would be called for an interview. Candidates are required to qualify in the personal interview separately with a minimum of average of 50% marks in the interview. How to apply for this NFL Recruitment 2020 for engineer, manager or senior chemist. So for more details, we have provided a link here. You'll click on the link and you'll move to in the web page. So this is the official website of NFL. You'll click on application proforma and you'll move to another web page. So as you can see, this is the application form. You have to fill this form and send it in favor to, so this is the information regarding that. Sealed envelope, covered superscript with application for the post of post name and 2020. So in our Fresher Camp website, we have provided all the details regarding selection process and eligibility criteria. If you have any queries, you kindly refer to the website. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel for regular updates. Like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Link for NFL Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. Thank you.